On your iPhone, whenever you buy something through Roblox with a credit card automatically registered, it has to run Apple Pay in order to pay for the item you're buying in Roblox. So all you have to do is remove the payment method from your iPhone settings and not the Roblox app. So open up the Settings app and select your name at the top of the screen. Go into Payment and Shipping and then tap Edit. You should now see a list of all your payment methods. Like I said, whenever you buy something through Roblox, it runs it through these payment methods. So all you have to do is choose the payment method you want to be removed and not used on Roblox anymore, tap the Edit button, and then select the red Delete button at the left side of the payment method, and it will be automatically removed from your iPhone and consequently from Roblox as well. After you tap the Remove button, this payment method won't be able to be used to buy items in Roblox anymore. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove credit card from Roblox on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.